Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. High-performance machines transform your creative workflow with smooth rendering, faster exports, and reliable multitasking for modern video editing demands. Best Laptop for Video Editing delivers powerful GPU acceleration, efficient thermal control, and seamless 4K timeline performance for creators everywhere, smoothly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Acer 258V Video Editing Laptop. The Acer 258V Video Editing Laptop is built for creators who demand high performance, efficiency, and modern AI-enhanced computing. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor, with a dedicated NPU delivering up to 47 TOPS, it handles demanding workloads such as video editing, content creation, and multitasking with remarkable smoothness. The integration of Intel Arc 140V graphics with 8 Xe cores significantly improves rendering speed, timeline playback, and visual effects processing, making it well-suited for software like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. With 32GB LPDDR5X RAM and a fast 1TB PCIe SSD, users can run multiple applications, large project files, and browser tabs without lag. The 14-inch touchscreen adds flexibility for precise editing and intuitive navigation, especially useful for designers and photographers.
Number 2. Lenovo i7-13700H Video Editing Laptop. The Lenovo i7-13700H Video Editing Laptop is designed for users who prioritize raw processing power and professional-grade productivity. Equipped with the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700H processor featuring a 14-core hybrid architecture, it delivers excellent multitasking performance for video editing, programming, and heavy workloads. The Intel Iris Xe graphics ensure stable visual output for editing timelines, basic rendering, and media playback. Its 16-inch WUXGA IPS anti-glare display provides a comfortable viewing experience with sharp clarity, making long editing sessions easier on the eyes. With 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD, it offers fast boot times, smooth application switching, and enough storage for large video projects and assets.
Number 3. Auusda 3050E Video Editing Laptop. The Auusda 3050E Video Editing Laptop offers a budget-friendly solution for users who need solid everyday performance with light creative capabilities. Powered by an Athlon 3050E processor and supported by 32GB RAM, it handles multitasking efficiently, including web browsing, office applications, video calls, and basic design tasks. The 1TB SSD provides fast storage access and ample space for files, projects, and media. Its 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display delivers clear and vibrant visuals, making it suitable for studying, entertainment, and light editing work. The slim and lightweight design enhances portability, making it a strong option for students and frequent travelers. Connectivity options such as USB 3.0, USB 2.0, Type-C, HDMI, and a TF card slot ensure compatibility with various devices and peripherals. Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0 support stable wireless connections.
Number 4. Microsoft Surface Video Editing Laptop. The Microsoft Surface Video Editing Laptop represents a premium blend of performance, design, and AI-powered productivity. As a Copilot Plus PC, it integrates advanced AI capabilities that enhance workflow efficiency, including intelligent assistance for multitasking and content creation. It delivers strong performance with optimized hardware that outpaces many competing Ultrabooks, making it suitable for creative professionals and business users alike. The 13.8-inch touchscreen display offers exceptional clarity with HDR support, allowing accurate color representation for editing and media work. Its ultra-thin and lightweight design enhances portability without sacrificing durability. One of its strongest advantages is battery life, offering up to 20 hours of usage, which supports all-day productivity without frequent charging. The device is designed for seamless interaction between software and hardware, enabling smooth performance in creative applications, office tasks, and media consumption. With a refined build and intelligent system integration, it stands as a strong choice for users who want portability, premium design, and AI-enhanced performance in a single device.
Number 5. HP 17-inch Video Editing Laptop. The HP 17-inch video editing laptop is built for users who prefer a large display and strong multitasking capability for productivity and creative tasks. Its 17.3-inch Full HD anti-glare display provides an expansive workspace, making it ideal for video editing, spreadsheet management, and detailed content review. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor, it delivers efficient performance for everyday workloads and light to moderate editing tasks. Combined with up to 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, it ensures fast system responsiveness, quick boot times, and smooth handling of multiple applications. The larger screen enhances timeline visibility, which is especially useful for editors working with multiple tracks and effects. Pre-installed Windows 11 Pro adds enterprise-level security and productivity tools, while lifetime MS Office support increases long-term value. Its overall design focuses on practicality, making it suitable for home offices, students, and professionals who prioritize screen size and reliability over portability.
Choosing the best laptop for video editing depends on performance, display quality, and reliability. A powerful processor, dedicated graphics card, ample RAM, and fast storage can significantly improve editing speed, workflow efficiency, and overall productivity for both beginners and professionals.